Hey, it's Odom.
Hey, it's Fry.
And I like zombies. Me too. I like killing zombies.
I love eating.
I love devouring chargers. Ew.
Disgusting.
Why would you eat a charger? If I was gonna. Hey, somebody texted me.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. I wasn't allowed to text during my episode.
No, you weren't allowed to cuss.
If I'm not allowed to cuss, you're damn well not allowed to text. And damn is not a cuss word. No, you didn't. Excited mark, excited mark, excited mark. What a pudding cup.
Pudding is icky?
Not pudding cups.
Yeah, pudding cups are icky too because guess what's inside of them? My smart child.
Anyway, I like this one. There's other one. Hey. I got introduced to drugs. I'm like,
It's called Left 4 Dead.
no,
It's called adrenaline. Take a shot.
I got more country.
Alright.
Ow, that hurt me. Fuck. Rutgers. That's a good place. Love Rutgers.
I've never been. I hear it's really good.
It is really good. Because, like, they gave me an excuse to cuss. Because it's like, every time I go to McDonald's, I cuss. Fud Rocking Day. Look at oh, yeah, wrong. How does it be about that?
Ooh, look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Yeah. Never again. I wonder if you
I've died before.
Anyway,
And I got
it's
lost in the
2011,
closet.
guys. It's been a whole year.
We
since.
were gonna do a video on New Year's, but my parents came home before we were finished, so we had it like all set up and crap. And our friend John was here, and then that was John.
Not on New Year's.
Yes, on New Year's. Oh no, it wasn't on New Year's. That wasn't John. That was the time before. It's too much adrenaline. All the zombies. I'm telling you. Anyway, so it was Natani on New Year's. It was Natani, and we were gonna do a video together, and we just never.
I love
did
how
it.
white this makes my teeth look.
I know. Ew.
I swear if that phone goes off.
At least it doesn't go rah rah. I'm actress Megan Fox.
Where is that? I want to watch that. This kid is retarded right there. I know it's not what she said.
Oh really? What did I say?
Ellis is amazing and hot.
Oh yeah, I am in love with Ellis.
I love. This is so sexy.
I want to be his wife.
Down my apartment. God bless.
Rah rah ah ah ah.
I thought the watch that, but you know. Oh, that hurts me.
That phone goes off one more time.
He said no.
No.
God, where the hell did you go?
John?
No.
Down the toilet. With his girlfriend that lives in the sewer.
Shut up, shut up. I don't
She
need
doesn't watch it, and if she does,
You freaking
that's
She
two.
hates me anyway.
2 middle fingers. Call me a whore one more time, I will kick your poop. And that's what's gonna happen, because I don't like you at all. I hope you watch. Watch it. But really, do something. What are you gonna do? No, you're not gonna do anything. You're really not. typo in my text. And now I have to say like, ooh,
How retarded can we get?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Ew. Picking your nose. Wiping the pickles on your off.
Stop recording. Is that why it didn't tell us to stop recording?
Well, I'm not stopping.
That's so funny. It's like, stop it. What are you doing?
Cool.
I'll hold my side of my face is black.
Keep your tongue in your mouth.
I can't help it!
It's so gross. It goes. Do it one more time. I swear to God.
Ooh, God's gonna strike me down. I'll hit you non-boob again.
I'll hit your non-penis again.
I have a penis.
No, he doesn't.
It's very nice. Very nice. Hello, my name is Scott.
Oh, here. There.
Shut up. I thought they were gonna hurt me.
Do you want me to?
I was about to do that! Okay, anyway, I think we should go. Well, I'll see you later, folks. Because, you know, I'm Kyle to the dubs.
And
K-Dub.
Erica to the Michelle.